Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. I'm going to talk about the assignments that you will be doing in class on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Remember that on Wednesdays we have a half hour that you can meet with me, but it is asynchronous learning time. So you'll still be working on assignments and you'll still need to do this check-in, but it is time that you can work alone or join me. So here are the assignments for week 2, and we're going to focus on these. They'll be published by the date. So the lesson today is the Shirred Hyperdoc, and this is the first time you'll see it as an assignment for a grade. And so you'll go here, and once you're in this Hyperdoc, the first thing you'll do is look at these this shirred and then these tattoos, and you'll think about how are these tattoos inspired by ancient pottery. The designs are inspired by the pottery designs of the Jomon culture of Japan. And then you'll also watch this little video on pottery sherds. Then you'll read a brief article. Now, I did break this up into days, but you can move ahead if you prefer. So you read this, and then here's the definition of a sherd. And then this just explains our lesson. There are learning intention standards and studio habits. Then what you're going to do here is you're going to find an image. So there are many that you can look through. So if you like the Greek ones, you can look through these. They show the actual image, and then here's this. And that gives you a bigger image, which will help you out. The other images are different cultures around the world. So you can go here and you can find a variety of different cultures that have the sherds. Once you are here and you have found the different art pieces and sherds, some of them may have pictures, some of them may not. You might have to look through them a little deeper. I thought this had images. What you want to do is, I'm going to go back here and find a different one. Okay, what you want to do is just click on the image and then lightly trace them, or you can freehand draw them. So what you would do is put your paper lightly on your screen or your phone, and with a pencil, you would trace them with a piece of paper. Eventually, you'll get a sketchbook. You'll want to do this more towards the center or off to the side a little bit, because you are going to be using this to do what is called an extension drawing, and you'll understand that better once you've read this article. Once you have completed your extension drawing, you're going to take a picture of it and upload it to your visual journal that we looked at on Monday. So there are some images here. You can see this is the shard, and then there's the shard in the extension drawing. This student did 3 drawings of that. Of course, you can do more, but you will, if you remember from the lesson on Monday, you have a visual journal now in your own folder, and that's where you will upload that picture. And then you'll also, right here, you can look at, we will be doing some small groups and things on Tuesday. And then you can do a little bit of reflection, and then there's a really interesting article here that you can look at that describes some different sherds, and you can learn about other cultures that way. So I really hope you enjoy this lesson and have some fun with the art making process.